In this video, I will show you how to use Predimail AI to classify your inbound messages. Depending on your mailbox, the classification will result in a folder under Inbox or a label. If you're using Outlook or SMTP, it will be a folder or a category. If you're using Gmail, it will be a label. To configure classification, go to Mailbox AI settings and make sure AI classification is enabled. Then click the Action Add button. The screen is divided into several sections. The folder or category name, note, if you're using Outlook, you can manage both folders and Outlook categories at the same time. Classification instructions and conditional filters. Use classification instructions to guide how the AI understands each email. Based on these instructions, the AI analyzes the content and decides whether the email belongs to this category. For example, for an urgent emails category, these are emails that require immediate attention or quick action. Conditional filters let you refine classification using specific email fields. For example, you can filter by subject or sender. Reply and routing settings. In this section, you can define how emails in this category should be handled. By default, responses are generated using your knowledge base. However, you can customize replies by adding specific instructions here. For example, reply by acknowledging the request and confirming it will be handled shortly. Advanced settings. Use advanced settings if you need more control over the configuration. Fill in the required fields and confirm the classification. Ensure your classification is listed, then monitor your inbox to verify that emails are being sorted as expected.